Hello, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic. Today, pretty special episode. One of our doctors, Dr. Juan Martin, he is our internist on staff that helps out with some of our more complicated procedures, like if we're doing heart treatments, more advanced lung treatments, things that really need an in-depth analysis to make sure it's safe to do treatment. He's our go-to guy. So if you came down for a heart treatment, you're gonna work with our cardiologist, do the scans, but Juan Martin's the one who's gonna sit down with you, make sure everything's dialed in, you're taking the right medicines, treatment's safe. We have to be very careful with hearts and lungs. Rule number one, do no harm. And we go out of our way to make sure that we're doing that, because the IV can cause issues if you got like too much fluid around your heart, too much fluid in your lungs, your kidneys are too far progressed and can't handle it. So he's our guy to make sure we're staying safe, and he trusts the stem cells. That's a big part of this. We want you to know our doctors believe in this too. He's been having some knee pain, just like everyone. Even doctors don't want to have surgery. So here he is, Dr. Juan Martin, doing his knee, getting fixed up. We believe in what we do here at Dream Body Clinic. That's why we've got the lab on site. We went out of our way to get it ISO rated. We're above and beyond even US standards to give you the best thing possible. So take a look. Here's Juan Martin getting treated. And if you'd like to learn more, please give us a call anytime at 888-704-3977 or check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh, happy to help.